Welcome to Slibazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series designed to help you create better presentations. In this video, we'll learn how to create a SWOT analysis slide inside PowerPoint. But before we start, check out Slibazaar's website to get tons of pre-designed presentation slides. You can also find plenty of SWOT templates which you can use to quickly create SWOT slides on your own. Check out the link in the description. This is what the final SWOT analysis slide will look like. Okay, let's begin. Let's start off by right-clicking the slide and going to Format Background. Let's add a gradient fill and change the type to radial. Remove all the extra gradient stops until there's just two remaining. Choose two colors. I am going to choose black and then blue. And then let's move the gradient stop on the right towards the middle as shown. And then we'll go to Home and insert a teardrop shape. Hold down Shift and draw the shape as shown. Use the handle to rotate the shape until the corner of the shape fits the corner of the slide as shown. Don't forget to change the outline of the shape to no outline. Then add a shape fill color and choose the same color as the color you chose for the background gradient, which is blue for me right now. Then let's insert a text box. Change the text color and font size and add the letter S in SWOT as shown. I am also going to change the font to Poppins and then place the letter exactly in the center of the shape using the dotted lines to get it right in the center. Add some more text boxes as shown and change the colors of the text as well. Now, let's create a duplicate by clicking on the slide on the left and pressing Ctrl+D. And then let's move around the shape and text as shown. Use the handle to rotate the shape until the corner of the shape fits the corner of the slide as shown. Apply a different color to the shape, the heading of the text, and apply the same color to the background gradient as well. In Format Background, don't forget to change the direction of the gradient and then change the letter to W in SWOT and change the heading to Weaknesses. Now repeat the exact same steps as before, but this time the shape will be in the top right corner of your slide and change the letter to O, add a different color to the shape, heading and gradient in the background. Change the gradient direction. Repeat all these steps just like before to create the threads slide. Once the 4 slides are done, create a new slide by pressing Ctrl+M, delete all the text boxes on that slide, and then drag it to the top as shown. Next, go to View and turn on Guides. This will cause dotted lines to appear on your slide, which you can use to create the main SWOT slide. Now, go to Insert, Zoom, and click on Slide Zoom and select the 4 slides you just created. These slides will appear as mini slides, and now all you need to do is move them onto the first slide exactly as shown. Once this is done, this is what your SWOT analysis slide will look like. So there you have it, a very simple tutorial that will teach you how to create a SWOT analysis slide in PowerPoint. Check out slibazaar.com. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel